Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Fibonacci retracement. So this is our trading view, and if you go and select that and go on to the Fibonacci retracement, select Fibonacci retracement, and let me do that. So Fibonacci retracement is from the highest point to the lowest point. So the highest point is, let me just set it out for you. So the highest point is over there, and the lowest point is here. Let me just take out some of the indicators so that the screen is more clear. So there we go. So here it is. So the lowest point is, this is the highest point, and I will do the lowest point is there. So this is the highest point on this chart at the moment. So this is the highest point and this is the lowest point. So on the Fibonacci you can see that where the actual retracement is taking place. So you can see at this level on 0.236. So these are the lines. So 0.236, 0.618 and 0.786. So you can see that these are the retracement that is occurring during the price movement. So the highest point, when I took it from the highest point, this was the second retracement, and the at 0.236, and that is what happened. So the price moved up till there, and then you can see there has been a retracement over here. So the prices stayed there, and there was and the second retracement you can see on this line as well. The retracement was over here on 0.786. So it does work, not 100%. It does work. If you are trading, you can use this tool, Fibonacci retracement. I have tested it for many trades. It does work and give you a little bit of indication. You can't use this only indicator for just only this indicator. You need to use it with other indicators as well. But this indicator is useful. For example, this is one of the chart that I showed you. It is a live data right now, and I can show you some previous retracements as well. So let's take this one out, and then let's see some other price movements. So let's see this price movement. So this movement till this movement, and let's test it out. So go into the Fibonacci retracement again. Click that, and then I'm going to draw it again. So let's see if I can. This lowest point is here, and the highest point is there. Yeah, so I drew highest point there, and I drew the lowest point over here. So now let's analyze this. So what happened in this price movement? So you can see these lines are indicating the retracements. So there has been retracement, for example, over here. So it retracted from here and went up to there. Second retracement was over here on this line. So it bounced back from this line. So from this turquoise line. So if you go on 786 over there, this one, so the line has retracted from there, for the price has moved from this lines. So yeah, it is a good indicator, and you can use this in trading for analyzing, and I use it quite frequently just to see what is happening in Fibonacci. if there is any significant lines, then you can make your trading decision according to that. One more thing that I have noticed just now on this one, 0.5 is the more significant one. So I can see 0.5 that there has been a retracement over here, and then over here, and yeah, so there it is significant, but you can't use it with just by its own, but you need to use some other indicators as well. Like I always use it with 3 or 4 indicators. One of the most important one that I use is the RSI, and other few as well. So yeah, so this is the Fibonacci indicator. If you have any question, please ask. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and like and comment. Thank you. Bye.